Hello viewers, I have already discussed the basic of calculus. I have given 3 lectures in which I had explained the meaning of calculus, the order of its smallness, a greatness, everything I had discussed in detail just to understand to those students who are practicing the different examination. Also, it is important for those person who want to study physics, because language of physics is mathematics. Language of physics is mathematics. So, without mathematical knowledge, physics cannot be studied properly. So, this video lesson is for those students who are applying the knowledge of calculus in that field. So, let us see. In this lecture number 4, I have taken the concepts of indefinite integral under the heading basic of calculus. Now, the definition of indefinite integral, what is integration? It is the inverse of differentiation. It is the inverse of differentiation. Integration Yes, integration is the inverse of differentiation. As far as knowledge of differentiation is concerned, it is very much needed here to understand the facts of calculus indefinite integrals. So, let us have first the different concepts of derivatives, differentiation. Accordingly, I will transfer the idea to the integration. So, first let us see differentiation in normally taken as d dx of x to the power n is n x n minus 1. What is n here? N is rational. N is rational means the differentiation of x to the power n is possible only if n is rational. For irrational terms, differentiation is not possible. So, the first concept is n is rational. So, this is the differentiation. Now, I am going to transfer here from here the integration. How? It is antiderivative or inverse of differentiation. How it plays the role? Let us see. If you take integration of nx n minus 1 and take here dx, and this is coming as what? This is x to the power n. Since it is indefinite integral means the value x to the power n is not appropriate. So, just make it, add some constant here, that constant is c, right. So, this sign of integral is, this is the symbol of s. This is s, or simply you write like that, this or this. You all know the meaning of this symbol is. Now, this is coming as s here. So, this is coming from summation. Integration is also the method of summation. You will study the definite integral, there I will explain how the summation word is applicable here in case of definite integral. Now, let us see this integral, sign of integral. So, you must have understood the meaning of this antiderivatives or inverse of differentiation. So, differentiation of x to the power n, where n is rational, is nx n minus 1, nx n minus 1 dx is x to the power n plus c. The fundamental theory of that is what? Let us see, x to the power n, integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Okay, this fact is coming here. Now the same thing is here. In place of nx n minus 1, this is known as integrand, and this dx you will try to understand what is the meaning, from where dx has come from. Dx has come from here. Simply you just transfer dx here. This is just for understanding purpose. Normally it is not written. So d of x to the power n can be written as nx n minus 1. So this is d of x n minus 1, xn is nx minus 1, and here dx. So where dx has gone to this side. Just to understand the fact, now take the integral, sign of integral both side. Since integration and differentiation are the inverse process, so integral sign of integral and d becomes nullified. It is simply, it can be written simply as x to the power n. This is nx n minus 1 dx. This is the inverse of differentiation. Inverse, normally in number system you have seen inverse of a is equal to what? 1 by a. If you multiply a by its inverse, what is the result here? 1. The result is 1. So this is the multiplication here. Here also you can understand the same fact. This is for those who are just using it as application in physics. So this integral and differentiation are the reverse process. It is like this, a into 1 by a. So what is integral here? 1 by d. This integral sign is what? Integral d x to the power n can be written as 1 by d and then d. Just for better understanding, don't cancel it, because these are the symbolic representation. But for understanding, 1 by dd can easily be understood as x to the power n. I hope so it is clear now. Yes, let us see. So this fact you must have understood. X to the power n is nx n minus 1, and integral of nx n minus 1 dx is x to the power n plus c, and this is x to the power n dx. Finally, it is a formula now. Now let us see another fact. Based on this formula, x to the power n dx, x to the power n plus 1, n plus 1, and here what? N plus 1, n not equal to minus 1, because if n is minus 1 it becomes 0, and finally this is not possible. So here n is not equal to minus 1 for the right hand side, because n plus 1 not equal to 0, because if you write 0 it becomes infinity. So here I will take up later here n is equal to minus 1. What happened here? It is written as 1 by x, 1 by x to the power n. So just you better understand, this is n plus 1 not equal to 0. So n not equal to minus 1 for applicability of this term, right? Let us see now. The fact is, what is the, let us take some question. Evaluate x square dx, number 1. Number 2, x to the power half dx. Number 3, x to the power, let us take anything, what is called, yes, minus 5 dx. Because I have taken here, first is the whole number 2, second is the rational number half, third is minus 5. Minus 5 is also rational, it is the negative integers. So let us see the integration of this totally based on this formula, directly based on this formula. How? This can be written as, just write down x to the power n dx is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here also you shall write x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, correct, as per this formula. So, this is coming as what? X to the power 3 upon 3, and then do not forget to add constant here, because in physics it is totally based on the theory, practical situation. So, C can be obtained by the initial conditions. Some condition must have been given to find the value of C. So, x to the power q by 3 plus C, this is the answer here. So, you must have understood the meaning of this indefinite integral. Indefinite means C is added to make it definite here, and C can take the value under the given conditions. Now, x to the power half dx, this is what? X to the power half plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus constant. So, you can simplify it, and this is what? X to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, and finally 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus constant, right. So, this is the application of this formula. Here also you can write same thing, and this is finally x to the power minus 5 plus 1 upon minus 5 plus 1 plus constant, and this is x to the power minus 4 divided by minus 4 plus C, correct. Do not confuse that n not equal to minus 1, because n not equal to minus 1 is especially for here, but here n is minus 5 not minus 1, right. So, minus 5 plus 1, so it is minus 4 plus C, correct. So, these three facts I have given based on this formula. Let us see another differentiation. This is differentiation of x to the power n with respect to x. Let us see another fact. So, let us take it now. Differentiation of, I have taken first algebra, now I am going to take logarithm. I would like to take logarithm ddx of ddx of log x is equal to 1 by x. This is the differentiation of log x. Now, as per rule, integration is the inverse of differentiation. So, we shall write here, this implies 1 by x then dx is equal to what? Log x plus c, correct. 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. So, let us take this problem in practice. Now, when it is applicable, this is possible when x not equal to 0, because 1 by 0 is infinity, infinity dx is not possible. Infinity is a concept, but for the condition this is applicable when x not equal to 0. So, this types of condition is important, very much important, because applicability of 1 by x must be assigned, must be explained. So, this is the differentiation of log x, and that is 1 by x. Now, I would like to take some problem here, so that this application can be understand fully. Let us see that. But before this, let us take one more application of derivative. This application is what? ddx of e to the power x. This is exponential. Whenever we go through log x, exponential automatically comes, because the inverse of this log is exponential. ddx of, because the base of this log is what? Exponential. It is not common base. So, e to the power x is, this is e to the power x. This is the differentiation of e to the power x. Now, if you come to the integration, In case of integration e to the power x dx, this is coming as e to the power x plus constant. Integration of e to the power x exponential is what? Exponential. Exponential. In case of numerical fact, this the value is 2.7 something, but here it is taken as exponential in case of the logarithm. So, e to the power x dx is e to the power x plus c, correct? So, let us see, e is constant, yes. Another fact is d dx of a to the power x. A to the power x is what? A to the power x is a is common term. A is algebraic, x is also algebraic. A to the power x is what? This is a to the power x. A to the power x what? Log x. Log a. Log a. We shall write here log a. Let us better understand how this differentiation can be done. Just I am explaining something so that you can understand better the meaning of a to the power x. Yes. Let us see how to calculate it. So, first of all, I would like to transfer this in terms of real exponentially. So, let a to the power x is equal to what? P. Let this is p. Taking log both side, taking log both side. With the help of this explanation, my intention is to let you the concepts of logarithm here. Let us take log both sides. So, what is this? See, log a to the power x is equal to log p. Now, what is the base here? The base of this logarithm is e. The base of this logarithm is e. I have taken the base of the logarithm is e because logarithm without base is not possible. Now, log a to the power x, there is a rule, this is x log a, and this is log p. So, whenever the base of logarithm is e, this is called natural log, natural log. If base is e, it is called natural log. But if the base of logarithm is other than e, it is called common log. Means the base is, if base is 10 or other number, any other number, right? So, this is the fact of natural log. If base is e and common log, if base is 10. So, it is the natural log here. So, x log a, the formula is a to the power x is taken as x log a is log p base e, correct? Now, you can write here log p is what? This log p can be written as, or p can be written as, sorry, this p can be written as e to the power x log a, e to the power x log a. So, p is what? A to the power x. So, e to the power x is known as e to the power x log a. So, just to get the differentiation of a to the power x, I have taken this, correct? Now, differentiation, let us take now d dx of e to the power x log a, e to the power x log a. So, differentiation you must have understood that differentiation. So, it is what? First write as it is, e to the power x log a. Now, again differentiation of the power x log a, x is variable, log a is constant. So, differentiation of x log a is simply log a. So, this is the differentiation of this, correct? d dx of e to the power x log a is e to the power x log a into log a, correct? Now, if you take here, so you must have understood all this explanation, nothing to say. Once again, I would like to tell you, whenever you want to express this in terms of log, we take log both sides, and finally, we are coming to this form, a to the power x is transferred to this form, and finally, we are coming to this. Two more things I have highlighted. the natural log with base c, common log with base 10 or any other number, correct. Let us see the another fact of integration. So, let us see how to write down in the form of integration here. So, as per the rule inverse of differentiation, what is the rule here? This is d of integral, what? Integral right side, this is what? Integral of e to the power x log a then dx is equal to what? That side e to the power x log a, correct. This log a is constant, it can be taken out. So, this is log a and then e to the power x log a dx and finally e to the power x log a. Again divide both sides by log a. So, this integral e to the power x log a dx is equal to what? E to the power x log a upon log a. And here you have understood e to the power x log a is what? A to the power x. This is a to the power x because you have seen. So, e to the power x log a dx is e to the power x dx. So, finally, we can have integral of e to the power x dx is equal to this and this is equal to this e to the power x log a and log a, and this can also be written as a to the power x divided by log a. So, this is the final integration shape of this integral. So, exponential integration of exponential e to the power x and then e to the power x dx is taken as e to the power x plus c. Now, d dx of e to the power x is what? D dx of e to the power x is this a to the power x log a. We can write here now, we shall write here a to the power x log a, right? This we write. And finally, integral of a to the power x dx is taken as a to the power x by log a. So, you must have understood the differentiation of exponential a to the power x dx as a to the power x log a plus constant. Do not forget to write the constant in place of this after this. Okay. So, we have seen logarithm, exponential. Now, let us take some problem based on these two. So, you have taken here integral what? D dx of log x is 1 by x and integration of dx by x is equal to log x plus constant. Another thing, d dx of e to the power x is e to the power x and integral of e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power x plus constant. Third, you have seen d dx of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x log a, and this is integral a to the power x dx is coming as a to the power x upon log a. So, these three explanations I have made. Now, based on these three explanations, let us take some problem here. This is evaluate, let us take some question. Evaluate integral 2 to the power x plus 3 dx. First, second you take, yes, let us take, no problem. You take the problem, this is coming as third one, first, second, sorry, second, x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 dx. You can take, yes, let us see this 2. The first thing is 2 to the power x plus 3 dx. So, solution here 1, integral 2 to the power x, sorry, 2 to the power integral 2 to the power x plus 3 dx is equal to 2 to the power x 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 3 dx, correct? And this is 2 to the power 3, then 2 to the power x dx, and 2 to the power 3 is what? 8. Now, based on this is 8. Without wasting your time, you know the value of integral a to the power x dx. What is a here? 2. So, this is what? 8 into, write down the result here. A to the power x means 2 to the power x divided by log 2. Okay? This log 2 and the base of this logarithm is e, exponential, because I told you without base the logarithm is not possible. So, I have taken here 8 into 2 to the power x divided by log 2 plus constant. So, this is the answer of this fact, this question. Okay? Now, the second question is integrate x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 upon x plus 2 dx. Now, here we shall take up the factorization. After that, we shall see the result, because denominator, numerator, degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. So, division is possible. Let us divide. Let us divide it. Just I am explaining the fact in very simple and common way. Let us divide. So, divide x cube plus 4x square. You can see here, after that we shall apply there, x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. Now, this is x cube, so it multiply by x square. So, x cube plus 2x square, right? Now, take the difference, cancel 4x square minus 2x square is 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Again, this is 2x square. So, let us take here 2x. So, 2x into x, 2x square minus, sorry, plus 4x, 2x square plus 4x. Now, again take minus. So, after taking minus here, we get minus and minus, 2x square cancel, minus 3x minus 4x is minus 7x minus 2, correct? I have taken minus 7x minus 2. Now, minus 7x, so we shall write here minus 7, and finally minus 7x minus 14, and this is what, again minus plus. So, 14 to it is 12. So, this can be written as, therefore, x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 will be written as, this is quotient x square plus 2x minus 7, quotient plus remainder 12 divided by divisor x plus 2. We shall write like this. This is what? Quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. So, this is the way of explanation, expression of these types of simplification, quotient plus remainder upon divisor. Okay? because if you simplify it, you will be getting the same thing here. So, let us see now the integration. So, integrating both side. So, integrating both side here, integrate here, no problem. Integrate dx is equal to integral dx, again dx, integrate it. Now, you know, integral of this sum is sum of their integrals. Integral of this sum is sum of their integrals. So, this is integral x square dx plus integral 2x dx minus integral 7 dx plus integral 12 by x plus 2 dx, correct? Now, we are in a position to write the answer of this because we know the formula. The formula is known to us. What is the formula here? X to the power n dx is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. This is the formula. Now, this dx by x is log x. Now, whatever, suppose it is x plus 1 here, it is x plus 1 here, we shall write log x plus 1. X plus 2 here, we shall write x plus 2, log x plus 2, correct? So, if the situation is like this, we can just transfer this in this form. So, this formula can be applied. So, here this is what? X to the power 3, 2 plus 1, 3 by 3 plus 2 constant, power of x is 1. So, x to the power 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 2 minus 7 is constant. So, it can be taken out. Integral of dx is x. Again, for understanding, this integral sign and d is the reverse process, inverse process. So, this will be x only plus 12 1 by x plus 2 dx is what? Log x plus 2. So, this is the answer here, plus constant. Do not write everywhere constant. Write a common constant c at the end of calculation. So, this integral I have explained. Now, for your better understanding, this thing I have taken to let you know the meaning of indefinite integral and application of the formula of exponential x to the power n dx, also dx by x. Now, after that, there are many more formulas. So, I will take one more class in indefinite integral. There I will explain the rule of integration, that is the what is called sum rule, then method of substitutions, method of transformation, method of partial fraction. I will take one question of each part so that you can understand the questions, how to tackle the questions in a better way. So, my intention was to let you in this video lesson to inculcate the meaning of integration in a proper way. Those students who have forgotten at the time of entering in the new classes, and suppose if you will not practice the things, automatically the things will vanish from your mind. So, my intention, my interest is to explain or memorize the things every day, so that you can understand the fact of the different mathematical concepts. So, in the next video lesson, I will explain another part of indefinite integral. So, okay. Like this video, share it, and those who feel it better, if it is clear to you, you must subscribe, so that when I will prepare the video lesson, you will get the notification and information here. Thank you.